Have you ever thought about starting your own business or adding windshield repair to your existing business? Well, here are 3 quick reasons on why you should start a windshield repair business today. Learning curve. There's little to no learning curve when using our windshield repair equipment. Also, all of our systems come with a training video, training manual, and we offer unlimited technical support. Time. It takes 15 minutes or less to do a windshield repair. Money. The national average per rock chip is $65, and your cost is $1 or less in supplies. So you can easily make a living with windshield repair. Now let's give you a couple ideas on how you can start making money with your windshield repair system. Parking lots. This is all about exposure and numbers. The busier the parking lot, that means the more cars you see and the more money you might make. Another location would be car dealerships. 2 options here. One would be the used car manager because most dealerships are frequently selling used cars. The second option would be service advisors because service drives are always busy. Rental car companies. I'm at the local airport. It's a small airport, but there's a steady flow of cars coming and going. So I just gave you a couple ideas on where to get started at with your windshield repair system. But if you click the link below or go to deltakits.com/windshield repair, you'll find a lot of helpful information. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button below so you'll be notified when we upload new content.